Hi, fourth period and seventh period. Happy Asynchronous Tuesday. I wanted to make a little video to explain to you the directions for the assignments that you will be responsible for. So this afternoon, or today rather, whenever you get a chance, you will be doing an assignment about the 13 colonies, and it looks like this, where this is just some background information about each of the colonies. So there are the colonies from the north, the middle, and the south. And each of these colonies here has a reading linked below. They're about the same size as a chapter section, but the amount of information that they have about in them is the equivalent of about an entire chapter. So I thought this would be a good way to kind of streamline some of the info. So each has its own reading and the same questions up above to answer. So for each section, it's already answered which colonies are in the different regions, but you also need to note how and why they were founded. So why were people leaving England to come to that area specifically? Describing the weather and climate, or sorry, the geography and the climate, so the land and weather of the different colonies. What the economy of the region was made up of, so what did they do to make money? And finally, what was their government like? The laws, the politics, the leadership, that kind of thing. For the north, the middle, and the south. So it's fairly straightforward. The readings are linked, the questions are right there. And if you have any further questions about it, you're welcome to come to office hours on Wednesday. On Wednesday morning, I also want to let you know that we're going to be doing the second piece of the renaming activities. And this is where we're going to start narrowing down what exactly the name could be. The way that you're going to do that is by looking at first the criteria for what make a good name that the board will approve of. And um, those are a bunch of different ones. There's 10. And so you're going to start by putting them in your own words and then doing some research. And there will be some databases linked here and the ability for you to suggest a new school name. So if you have any questions about any of these things, you can leave a comment in Google Classroom and I will get back to you all day Tuesday, or you can come to office hours on Wednesday. Have a wonderful asynchronous day. We'll keep our fingers crossed for the election. Bye.